Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorial how to duplicate selection. So example we have this image and then I will duplicate like at this area. Now you can use the magnetic lasso tools to create the selection. I will create in it and this is just for the example like this. And after it, you can press Ctrl C to copy and then Ctrl V to paste. So it will be automatically create new layer and then you can move the layer into another area. So it will be duplicate the selection. I will select again the main image and then I will use these tools to tracking and we create new selected object. After it, you can press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V to paste or duplicate the selection. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorial, how to duplicate selection. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.